Friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Arelees and I love baking treats and cooking up eats. Today, I'll be showing you how you can make a healthy, hearty meal. Very simple. Friends, let's get started. I have some sweet potato that we're going to be roasting in the oven. Ripe plantain. I have a package of codfish, red, green, and yellow peppers. We have tomato. I have here a stalk of green onion. I have a half of red onion. I have some garlic that I have already chopped. And of course, I'm going to be using some coconut oil, and I'm not advertising for the company, but this is the oil I'm using. We have some garlic and herb, paprika, some black pepper, some garlic powder, adobo, and as I go along, if I need any more spice, then I'll let you know if I'm going to be spicing it up a little bit more. Now I have my pot with hot water and I have washed the codfish. So I'm going to be placing that in the hot water. I'm going to let it sit there. We're just going to boil it for, not for very long, but we're going to let that boil for a bit. Friends, now I'll be placing the potatoes in the oven, which I already turned on 10 minutes ago, and I have it set to 350. So friends, while the potato is in the oven, I'm going to be preparing our seasoning. First, I'm starting with the onion. Now I'm going to be chopping my green onion or scallion. And now I'm going to be cutting my green peppers. For the red peppers, now I'm cutting the tomato. I have here some Scotch bonnet pepper. Friends, the fish is finished cooking. I'm going to take it from the pot, take it over to the sink, rinse it off, and cut them in smaller pieces. Friends, I'm going to be frying my plantain first. Plantain have a little bruise to the side, so I'm just cutting that off. So friends, in my same wok, I'm going to add the garlic. And then the onion and red onion and green onion. Friends, after sauteing the onion, the garlic, and the green onion together, I'm adding the fish. I'm going to add our tomato and hot pepper. This is where I'm going to be adding my black pepper, my paprika, garlic powder, a bit of adobo, and you're adding all this to your taste, and a bit of the garlic and herb. And we're going to combine all this together. And friends, now I'm going to be adding the green pepper, red pepper, and yellow pepper in the pot. And you're going to be adding about a tablespoon or so of water. Friends, the potato is finished. I just remove it from the oven. And it's quite easy to peel off the skin. It is still hot though, so be careful when you're doing yours. This is still very hot. I'm going to cut into the potato, and it's looking really good. It's hot. It's still so hot. Friends, this is the end result of our quick, easy, hearty meal. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Friends, please subscribe. Thank you for all the support. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Mwah.